Hey, good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Let's work something, huh? Avi, good morning. Jeffy's good morning. Maurice, good morning. Morning, guys. Natsa, good morning. Let me make the screen, the writing bigger. Yeah, like that, huh? Yeah. Pizza for breakfast? Nah, no pizza. No pizza. I already had my breakfast. We have some jobs here. Good morning. Morning, morning, morning. Not even 9 a.m. Nah, not even. No, I just dropped my son at school, and I said, you know what? Yeah, Diana with my daughter. She has today her first solo nav flying. Yeah, so it's about at the end of the fly school. So today is first solo nav fly. Yeah, navigation. Morning, morning. Hello from Romania. Where is Romania? Huh? Where is it? By the way, because we're speaking about Romania, I'm gonna show you something beautiful. I mean, I really got caught on this video. Fantastic video from a Romanian guy. It's just a coincidence. So we are speaking about this one. Yeah. So the guy figured out how to swap the PD controllers from the MacBooks with a different MacBook model. Now this is the point where I stopped fixing MacBooks. So I had the same board. Yeah, I had another board with iCloud locked. So I moved the PD controller and still was not working. So he made a video and he figured it out how to do it, and based on the I2C address, and you can change that address. That's the thing. Yeah, I was like proper caught on this video. I watched the whole video and the video from he guide from another video. I watched even the other video, but this one was more interesting. Yeah, yeah, proper interesting stuff. Link, please. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna share the link because the guy is good. I mean, there are better people than me. I told you. Um, I seen yesterday I think I seen a guy. He made a video card with 24 gig of VRAM. Crazy. Yeah, gamer. It was for me. It was unbelievable. You can manipulate that address, so you can change that address by changing some pins to plus or to ground. Crazy. Or some resistor. You change different values of the resistors. Yeah, because I quit. I had that job and I quit. I said, you know what? I don't need this in my life. I don't need this stress, and I stopped fixing MacBooks. That happened at the beginning of the year. Yeah, because of these crazy PD controllers from MacBooks. Unde se launcherò domattina? Aici, cum e aici? Unde? Uite aici, uite aici, aici. Yeah. Uh, Morning, guys. Morning. No coffee today. I had already my coffee. I finished my coffee. I ordered another coffee. It's supposed to arrive today. Silva che nazza. Morning, guys. Morning. Good morning. So what do we have here? We have you have that guy jobs, yeah, Aline, and the idea of the job is those are cheap jobs, and we are trying to we're trying to fix them. You know, we not much work, more solder and more wires and more. Yeah, everything is unplugged on this laptop for some reason. Definitely, he took the board out, or someone took the board. Those are job lots from eBay, I believe. Um, the screen is unplugged also. Let's fixing. Yeah, cheap jobs. Yeah, cheap jobs. Let's check the main power rail to be sure it's not shorted. So main power rail, we have a big capacitor here, and the main power rail is not shorted. We can plug the power. Let me grab the power supply. Toilet, no, not toilet paper. No, not toilet paper. No, nothing like that. This one, yeah, looks like it's this one. So 12 volts, 19, sorry, 19. Plug in the charger, nothing happened. It's taking no current. How long he was streaming? You can see on the page. It's probably like 5 minutes. Actually, 8 minutes. Yeah. But it's Monday, huh? Monday. Another week. Let's check the voltage at the charging port. Oh, actually, it is taking current. Check that. It's taking current. But not that much. Let's try to press the power button, which is on the keyboard. Pressing the power button, and it's doing some weird stuff, and that's all. Check that. Nah, I don't think I can fix something like that. This is the worst case scenario where the laptop is not working. It's not dead. It's not working. It's just somewhere in the middle. Mm. Okay, let's check the coils. While checking the maple, why don't check the coils? Yeah, that's a good question. Castoru, thank you very much for the donation. Thank you. 40 pero. At this time, I already did 3 laptops. Because there is like nearly 11 o'clock. Yeah. Let's check the coils. So the coils, this one is good. This one is 47 ohms. Well, looks fine. This one is 14. Yeah, this is the CPU. Okay, this is weird. Why we have 14 on this one? Then here, this one is good. And this is a 3.3 if I remember. And that one is good. Let's check the voltage. Let's see what we have there. Three. We have 4 volts. How we can have 4 volts on the 3.3 coil? You can't see. I mean, what kind of voltage is this? 4 volts. I mean, it's not 3.3. It's not 5. It's 4. Something wrong happened with the chat. Wait 1 second. What's going on here? Huh? I'm still live streaming. Everyone is fine? Yeah? Okay. Should only be 5 volts there. I think this one is 3.3, but can be 5. I can be wrong. Let me make some space. We are watching, we are quiet. I thought, the live stream crashed. Anyway, this is not normal. Why you will have 4 volts? It's taking no current. What I'm checking for here. Let's check under the microscope. Let's see. And the microscope light is not working again. You remember we opened the lights. You remember we opened the lights. So yeah, not sure what's going on. They are not working. They are dead. No, dead. Let me check the voltage on the charger. And I have 4.7. Why I have 4.7 when I have an Apple plug with 5.2 volts at the output? I don't think this is normal. Can be the... Oh, and now it's working. Now start working. Now it's not working. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it's working. Now it's not working. I think I know what's the problem. Yeah, I think I know. It's the cable. Okay, now it's working. Great. Fantastic. Microscope. But the chat is not there. Oh, what is that? What is that? I mean, no wonder here is like 4 volts. What is that? Let's clean it. It's not looking that bad. I don't understand why. Maybe because there is the feedback line. Here. Okay, it's looking better. Let's check one more time. So checking one more time, and we have 4.1. Huh? The enable may be low. Enable should be somewhere here, and we have 3.3 on the enable. Huh? And also we have a LDO here. I believe it's a LDO. This is 5 volts. 4.9. Okay, this is the feedback actually. Yeah, who knows? 3.3. So here we have 3.3, here we have 3.3. Or not? No. Here we have nothing now. Who knows? Let's do like a quick reflow on that chip. Because it was liquid damage. Nozzle. No rosin. Rosin is expensive. Of course, I'm just joking. Let me grab some liquid rosin. Liquid rosin, which is not here anymore. You know, I hate this thing when I cannot find my stuff. Oh yeah, I found it. Dodgy repair? Dodgy. Wait, we have low temperature, 480, 3.3 and 5 volts LDO. Kind of strange. I mean, usually the 3.3 power supplies, they have 3.3 LDO. And the 5 volts, they have 5 volts LDO. Oh. So it is strange to see a 3.3 with 5 volts LDO. You have to admit it. Okay, it is clean. Morning, morning, morning. I have the data sheet there. Okay, believe you, I believe you. Yeah. So 5 volts LDO is present, but the 3.3 is not. It's 4 volts. Okay, that's bad. So 3.3 is 4 volts. Does mean the chipset is dead already? Oh, and the chip is soldered properly. Yeah, same happened to me. I'm looking for stuff and I can't find them, and when I find them, I don't need them. Yeah. Gamer. Okay, gamer, what you are saying has logic. So if it that it will be 3.3 and you're coming with 4 volts and the power supply is generating 4 volts, then it will take more current. So it has more logic to say it's 5 volts, but it's outputting only 4 volts and low current. Hmm. Okay, let's plug the charger and see what it's doing. Plug in the charger and let's check the voltage. We have 4.1 volts. I mean, this must be gone. Was the keyboard even plugged in? Yeah. Pressing the power button is doing some crazy stuff, then it's coming back. The datasheet is now on Discord. Selfman, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, I found it. It's here. Yeah, in general chat. Thank you. Very nice from you. So let's have a look. We have big 3.3 at the output. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. Big 3.3. And we have 3.3 LDO. So nothing 5 volts here. Wait, actually are two different chips. Which one is this one? I have no idea. Which one is this one? So that's what I said. That's what I said. I said, the big 3.3 should be the 3.3 LDO also. And 5 volts same, 5 volts LDO. So actually, this is the 5 volts one, and at the output should be 5 volts. And we have, what do we have here? We have a power good pin on pin number 7. Yeah, we should check that. We should check that. Pin number 7. What heat? It's no heat, Kuma. It's taking no current. So it's not. It's no heat here. It's nothing to check with the thermal camera. If it's no heat. So let me check a little bit. Yeah, I said pin number 7, and pin number 7 is the first pin, the first one. This one. So this one is 0 volts. Dodgy, right? From where we can get 3 volts. We can't get 3 volts. Yeah, I'm thinking some dodgy thing. I'm thinking to a dodgy thing just to see if the board is starting. So we need 3.3 here. But 1 second, the charger was not plugged in. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. So here we have 3.3. I mean, the power good is present. Okay. And here you have 4.1. Fair enough to say the chip is dead. And the enabled signal, 1 second. The enable is here. Okay, I've seen it. So the enable is here. And the enable it is 3.3. Paul Daniel, good morning. Morning. Yeah, I checked. CG. Yeah, that means it's the 5 volts. So that is supposed to be 5 volts. I don't think this is the problem. Remove the coil. Why should you remove the coil? I don't think you understand what. I don't think you understand. I'll tell you what you don't understand. You don't understand what 8 amps means. With 8 amps, I will get melted that track before, being like shorted. So it's no point disconnecting the coil. You can't disconnect the coil. You have the feedback which is coming after the coil. You can't do it. Never disconnect the coil. Never. You have this feedback line. You see the feedback line? Yeah. So this is a bad idea. Never ever disconnect the coil. You have 8 amps, so you don't have a short. If it will be a short, I will see it here. Like I will see a lot of current being taken. So no, that's a wrong path. So then check the feedback is fine. What you can check, it's a track which is going to the chip. Can be only the chip can be dead. Okay, you have a resistor then and a capacitor. No, it has to be the chip. Yeah. What if the chip? No one checked. No one changed this chip. Oxygen. Good morning. No one changed the chip. No. Must be the chip. But the problem is, if I change the chip, the laptop is working because I believe it's not working. That's what I believe. We already have 4 volts there. Yeah, 4 or 5 volts, about the same thing. What is more important is the power good pin, which is saying the power supply is working. So the power good is good. The laptop should start with 4 volts. Ohms, no, the resistance is fine. We check the resistance, right? We check the resistance. No, I believe this laptop has more faults. No, it's nothing, infinite resistance. PCH coil, I believe is this one, PCH. And for some reason I have like 11 ohms. And I don't think 11 ohms is fine. I mean, it's kind of low for a PCH. I was expecting around 40 to 50. Do you know what you are doing? No. No, I'm still learning. I said it many times. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just searching randomly, you know, because I have no idea what's going on here. That's how we are repairing stuff. We don't know what is happening, but we are collecting data. Yeah? Measuring, you know, checking. Let me check something else. Let me check something else. Yeah. There's nothing else what you can do. So, no. No. Let's see. So, ground plus. It's taking like 500 milliamps. It's not a bad thing, 500. It's not a lot. Job load, yeah, job load. 1 second. Let me bring the thermal camera. Thermal camera. So, how is the chipset? Huh? I mean, it's not looking bad. The heat is uniform. Possible, you know, 11 ohms will be good. Why do you think the chipset is dead? Wait, 1 second. 1 second. So this is actually is not the chip. No, it is the chipset. So here is the CPU. Wait, actually this is the CPU. 1 second. No. This is the CPU. This is the chipset. And chipset is taking power from 3.3, which is somewhere else. I believe it's here. And it's taking like 100 milliamps, I believe. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, no, the chipset is not shorted. No. We are looking on the wrong direction. Yeah. The chipset is this one. And this one is like 54 ohms. And the chipset is good. Any idea? Was the chip supply? Yeah, 5 volts and 5 volts LDO. 5 volts LDO is present. We checked. I think we checked. 1 second. 5 volts LDO, it's on the pin. Pin 12. Pin 12 is, it's on the other side of the power good pin. Which means should be there. Yeah, the last one, the last pin. We need 19. Good. So the last pin here, we have 5 volts LDO. Check that, 5 volts. Yeah, so 5 volts is present. Now the output it is 4 volts. But I don't think this is the only problem. That's the. Let's plug the battery. Yeah, let's do it. I forgot about the battery. Let's plug the battery, see if it's charging. Maybe it's at the DC chip. So plug in the battery, and of course it's not charging. It is charging. Huh? 170 milliamps, because that's the pre-charge current. It is charging. Let me come with some current onto the battery. So onto the battery, and the battery is taking, yeah, check that. It's taking like 2 amps. Yeah, the battery is charging. And now should be charging normally. Check with the thermal camera. Yeah, but it's taking no current. It's no point checking with the thermal camera if it's taking no current. Cannot get hot without taking current. $20 milliamps. It's not charging. And why is not charging? 170 milliamps. We have it now. We have nothing. When I'm plugging the chip, got mad, then turn off. Which one? This? How can get hot? We just plug the battery. We work without the battery. No, definitely it was a reflection. It's still taking 180 milliamps. I'm assuming it's taken by the charging circuit, but we can check that. Yeah, then the chipset it's on. Check there. So here, yeah, here you have the charging circuit. But what is strange is the coil is not getting hot. Let me check the voltage there. Take out the that's long. Take out the motherboard. I mean, that's kind of long. I mean, probably I'm gonna take it out because I have no choice. The voltage is going up. Okay, it is charging. It is charging. It's going up slowly. And the chipset it's on. Let me check the voltage on the chipset. So on the chipset we have nothing. Okay, then yeah, strange. I will say the chipset is on, but it's not. 1 amp, 1.1 amp. Check that. Yeah. Which chip is getting hot? Which one? This one. It's not getting hot. Cannot get hot without taking current from the power supply. When you plug the charger, then check. No, how? Look, I will unplug the battery, yeah? Plug in the charger, and nothing happened. I mean, it's taking no current. You can see on the power supply, it's taking no current. Cannot get hot without current. So the EC chip is good, it's charging. Inject voltage of the coil. You have infinite resistance. Infinite. It got hot again? When? Well, I'm missing something or what? Oh, okay, I see now. Oh, that kind of hot. Okay. Can't believe you have good eyes. You have good eyes. So let's check what happened with the voltage. I can't see. I can't see anything. I mean, it's still showing me 4 volts. Not sure why that chip is getting hot like that. The LDO. Probably because the chip is dead, so plug in the charger. We have 5 volts LDO, so not sure why the chip is getting hot. I have no idea. No. So plug in the charger, and no, the output is not going, because probably you think, okay, the output is getting higher. That's the reason why it's getting hot. Yeah, probably the chip is dead. You know what we can do? Because the power good is good. Yeah, the power good signal is good. We can try and power on the laptop by the battery. No, leaving the battery in, plugged in and coming with the 5 volts from the power supply, jumper the LDO into the output. No, you can't do something like that. You have like 150 milliamps on the LDO. Charge battery, then supply. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What 3.3? Inject the voltage. Yeah, but we have infinite resistance on the coil. One second. Because I don't want to get trolled. You sure this is the 5 volts one? Let me be sure about that. It's not going to the USB? No. So why my 5 volts is not going to the USB? If it's the 5 volts one? I mean, must be because the LDO is 5 volts. What is this? Wait, what is this? It's some metal thingy. Okay. This is the big 5 volts power rail, I think. This one. Oh yeah, it is 5 volts. Okay. Yeah, we can come with 5 volts from the power supply. So from the power supply here, we have 5 volts. And it's taking like 60 milliamps, and the chip is getting hot. Okay, that's not normal. Yeah, definitely the chip is faulty. There is a load. It's no load. It's like 60 milliamps. The same track from the coil. It's no difference. 60 milliamps. It's not. It's nothing. You can see. But it's not normal for a chip to get hot if you come with the voltage at the output. It's taking no current. It's no point checking the USB. We can check if it's short, like if it's any short there. But it's pointless. No, here is no short. No, nothing. And here is no short. Yeah. No. No, the chip is dead. Let me try. Let me find, because I think I have a board. Magic box? No, I don't have this chip. No. Okay, let me find the same board. I have here a bunch of boards. No, it's not the same one. I'm pretty sure I have one. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. I found it! Haha! What do you think about that? Huh? It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, that sucks because we have to take the board out. Well, no, right? No, we don't have to take the board out. Brand new? Yeah, of course it's brand new. What do you mean? I'm gonna charge money for that chip as being a brand new, genuine. Yeah, definitely, it's brand new. Microscope. Yeah, fantastic. Let's replace it. This is 100% dead. This chip, no question about it. No, it's dead, dead. We have 480 degrees Celsius, and the chip is out. Fantastic. And we are getting the chip from here. Yeah, this one. Nemanja, good morning. Probably won't change a thing. Exactly, Breach. Exactly. Probably it will not change anything. I will have 5 volts, but the board it will not start. I don't think the board it will start. Exactly. That's what I said. Replacing this chip, it will change nothing. Just because the power good signal, it was good. It was present. It was like the power supply was working fine. Exactly. That's what I said. And the chip is soldered. Yeah, perfect. Like brand new. But we have a board for spares. Morning, the board looks like a brand. Brain dead CPU. I don't care if it's brain dead. I want my board to start. That's all what I want. I want the board to start. Then, if it's no picture or any other stuff, I can understand. I want my board to come on. That's the thing. And the CPU doesn't really matter. If it's brain dead, the board should still come on. Depends on the board. Benya, happy to see you. Live stream? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I have to finish these jobs. Okay, let's plug the charger. We have 19 volts. Plug in the charger and it's doing exactly the same thing. Let's check the output voltage. So the output voltage is... We fix it! Yeah, the board is still dead, but we fixed the 5 volts. Pressing the power button is coming on. No way. How? How is coming on? We checked the power good and the power good was fine. That's crazy. That's unexpected. Okay, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect it. And I don't understand why. The 5 volts LDO was present. The power good signal was present. Why the board start after we replace the chip? Making no sense. Holy chip, yeah. Yeah, probably holy. Because the 5 volts VCC is lower. So other voltage regulator VCC is low. I mean 4, 5, it's about the same. It was 4.0, yeah. And 4, 1, it's same thing. Let's plug the screen. 4.1 is not enough? Why? That's my question. Why? Why you are saying that? I mean, it should be fine. 4.1, 5 volts. kind of like the same. You have to think for what the voltage is used. It's used for different ICs, and they have a range, and that range. Yeah, I know what you are saying, Alex. I know, but still, I didn't expect that. That's all I'm trying to say. I didn't expect it. I was expecting the board to start because the power good was present. That's the thing. Okay, let's test it. Pressing the power button and the board it is coming on. Yeah, the BIOS is reset. There's no BIOS battery plugged in. 700 is looking good. Power button not connected. It is. It's on the keyboard. Look, the board is restarting and that's good. So the board switch on and off. That's good. That means it's not brain dead. Hmm? Come on, give me picture. I need my pizza. You're like one pizza and a half this repair. Like any repair from the job lot. 1.1. We are but what is that? Oh, the screen is cracked on a corner. I can't believe. What is this? Yeah, check it. Yeah. The screen is cracked in a corner. Wait, I don't think I have enough current here. Let me plug the BIOS battery. I didn't see that. Do you have the screen from motherboard? We are not going to replace the screen. We are fixing the board. No, it's okay. We are still getting the money for the repair. Don't. It's not a problem. But it just feels bad. Yeah, that's all. We fix it. We fix the motherboard. The motherboard is good. Yeah, it is working, but yeah, has a chip here. The thing is, the motherboard is working. Wow, this is okay. The fan is not plugged in. It was shutting down because of the overheating. Oh lord. 1 second. What is the fan? The fan is not plugged in. Let's see if the fan is spinning. And the fan is not spinning. Wait, the fan has something. Is something behind of the blades? What is this? Yeah, it's like a old engine which is starting. Now it's spinning. And yeah, we have picture. It's staying on, and it's getting cold. Fan is tired. Yeah, I'm tired, boss. Yeah, you know the meme. What about the power good? I don't know. But we changed the chip and it's working. Remove remove the screen. Yeah. Yeah, it's an upgrade, right? We're making the laptop lighter. Yeah. Yeah, we can steal power good. Pin number 7. Pin power good. Pin number 7. We check that. No screen, no broken screen. Yeah, yeah. I can hear the fan. Is spinning fast. It's cooling down the CPU. Yeah, it's proper. It's still hot. You know what? I think this heatsink is broke. Huh? No, it is hot. Yeah. No. It's okay. HDMI is fine. Who cares about the HDMI? We have picture on the screen. Don't forget to move the old chip to the. No. The old chip is coming as a brand new chip on my box. I'm just joking. Well, usually that's what is happening. Diana, sometimes just help me cleaning the stuff, and Diana is taking the components and is putting the components on my box, and that's how the dead chips are getting into my box. Next job, don't waste time and money. No, thermal paste is expensive. No, he's blaming it. Of course, if something goes wrong, must be the wife fault. It's not how it's in the life. Yeah, okay, the laptop it is working. Anyway, we fixed it. It was a dead chip. Yeah, it's charging fine. Yeah, all good. All good. One pizza and a half. Easy pizza? It was not that easy. We spent it's like 52 minutes. How can be an easy pizza? 52 minutes. It's not that easy. I mean, it is because it's a live stream. Yeah, and you helped me with the data sheet, and yeah. Next one. Okay, let's go to the next one. VivoBook or ThinkPad? Let's do the VivoBook. Asus VivoBook. Oh, Ryzen 7 and Radeon graphics, huh? Thermal paste on the CPU, it's expensive, man, sorry. PD controller? Well, don't say that. Nah, we have a round charger, but check that, huh? No. No PD controller. Let's open the laptop. This board looks like it's water damaged. Oh, this is another headache repair. It's just looking weird. The whole board is looking weird. Thermal paste on other. Yeah. Let me get rid of the thermal camera. Thermal camera, it's out. No, check here. Check what is on this board. Hey, what is this? Someone work here, or is liquid damage? I mean, the whole board is like a swamp. What is this? Wait. Actually, not only the board is looking bad, but actually someone worked here. You know what? I think I'll say pass to this job. This is definitely not an easy pizza. This can be like easy few hours of spending here without repairing. Algarve, it's cleaning with sparkling water. Let's just do 19 and 3.3. Okay, let's do 19 and 3.3. Let's check the main panel if it's shorted. Yeah. So the main power rail is on these capacitors here. The main power rail is not shorted. You see, that's why it's bad. Let's plug a charger. We have 19. Yeah, it's not the same connector. It was a bridge. The whole board is bridge. Probably it was a bridge somewhere. It's just a mess. The whole board is a mess. Yeah, this one. On the EC chip. It was a bridge on the EC chip. Nah, it's just bad. That's all. It's no bridge. It's just bad. It's just bad. That's all. Yeah. Let's see what it's doing. So plug in the charger, and it's taking some current. You think it can charge? Nah, definitely it's not charging. This is dead. Dead. Nah, nothing. Nothing. Let's check the main power. No, this is a very bad board actually. So the main power rail is, I can't believe actually the main power rail is present. Yes, 90.5. It's not charging because probably the AC chip has no voltage. Oh, has voltage. So why is it not charging? Battery has 0 volts. The keyboard. The keyboard has no voltage. Yeah, they go there. They go to the airport. So from here there it's about 100 miles, exactly 100 miles. So here is the Oxford airport. Yeah, so they got there. Missing 3.3. Looks like the 3.3 is present. Good morning. Microscope. Let's see. We have some capacitors. So here we have 1.8. Can be good. Here we have nothing. Here we have 3.2. Check there. You can see. We have 3.2. Looks like a shower game. This is, yeah, it's not gaming. It's just bad. That's all. It's just liquid damage everywhere and so much work here. The power button, it's on the keyboard, but the keyboard is plugged in, so it's doing nothing when we are pressing the power button. Let's see the coils. $11 ohms. So one is 3.3, one is 5 volts. Definitely 11 ohms is not fine. Definitely. Yeah, that can be good, but this one is not okay. Like 15 ohms. Not sure which is one. I know one is 3.3, one is 5 volts. Definitely. No, it's not short the capacitor. It's something is dead here. and it's not taking that much current. No. Then I don't know what to say. Raising the voltage a little bit. $250, 200. Can be the 3.3 from the chipset. 40. Now it's going up. Okay, that's strange. Yeah, the resistance is going up. So suddenly start working. It's not taking current anymore. Fan was spinning. Pressing the power button. Okay, let me get to 19. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. But we checked and we had no voltage on the keyboard in the first place. You burned the short on the keyboard. We should have like 3.3. Oh, we have. You think actually the power button is not working because the keyboard was liquid damage? That's what you think? Let's see. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. No, nothing. In 1 second, let me do it here. Watch the current if the current is changing, yeah? Pressing the power button, nothing. 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 Pressing the power button is going to 0. Check there. So the keyboard, it is good. Yeah. What we are doing? That's my question. This is bad. This is proper bad. I understand the fan was spinning. Obviously, probably when the 5 volts is coming, when the fan is spinning, that's okay. That's not the issue here. I don't remember it was charging. No, huh? No, it was not charging. Clean the liquid. Yeah, but the liquid is everywhere. It's everywhere. The liquid is not bothering me. Actually, the fact someone work here, for me, is like a big no-go. I mean, why someone need to work here? Not even sure what is this. Huh? What is this? I mean, check it. It's looking proper bad. No, here is flux. Yeah, clearly here is flux. No, I don't think I'm happy with this. I mean, we can clean it and all that kind of stuff, and we end up losing time. because I have no idea what the other person worked here, what he did. Because let's say he came with the power supply by mistake somewhere. You know, I will never find the fault. Never. No, that's what I think. I think it's a waste of time. It's too much damage on this board, and someone work already. Sorry, but this is not even a hard pizza. This is an impossible pizza. Yeah. Okay. ThinkPad. Lenovo ThinkPad. Pressing the power button, dead. i5 8th gen. Okay, let's open this one. Tanpaik. How many laptops comes in a day? Depends. I don't know. Sometimes I have nothing. Sometimes I have like 10. Like coming by post, I mean. Amar, good morning. For what is 12 volts, Mitchell? 12. For what a motherboard it will use 12? Yeah, that's what I'm asking. 12. It's E590. This one. We can do a full tutorial. We did. We have a tutorial. You know, like soldering chips and stuff about the chips, or what kind of? We did how to solder the chips without reballing and all that kind of stuff. And we have not sure what we have, because this has only USB-C. And if it's like a dead PD controller, let's see. So we need a USB-C. We have the USB-C here. Plug in the charger, and the meter is coming on. Check that. 5 volts with 150 milliamps. Ha. Doesn't look good. 150 milliamps. Let's check the main power rail. So the main power rail is not shorted. No. Coils. Yeah, because someone said if you check the main power rail, check the coils. Okay, the battery is not connected. This one is good. This one is 18, but can be good. Good. This one is good. This one is good. And this one is good. I think every coil is good on this board. I can't see anything wrong. Okay, let's plug the charger again. The main power rail voltage should be the battery voltage, and is 0. Okay, that's not good. I mean, the buck and boost power supply should work on the both ways. I mean, even if I come with 5 volts here, should output and charge the battery. Slow, but should charge. Who is taking 140? That's a good question. Who is taking 140 milliamps? Probably the PD controller. Yeah, actually, that's a good question. Let's see. Let me bring the thermal camera. Because on the first, I thought, that power supply is taking more current because it has to bring the voltage up. But no, we have no voltage on the main power rail. Take the memory card. Yeah, but what's the point? Your board is off. The memory card and the Wi-Fi, it will make no difference. They have no voltage. So it's pointless to take them out. Your board is off, it's dead. You have no power rail, no main power rail. What is that? Wait, here somewhere? Yeah, on the other side of the board. I can't believe I had to take the board out. Yeah, that's bad. So maybe we can find like a second-hand PD controller. No second-hand, sorry, brand new. I mean, this is the last job anyway. Yeah. It will be a short live stream. The last job, so I can give them back. It's not the last one, but yeah, that's all. I will think that's all for him. I have a speaker. I have a big speaker, a Sony speaker, but I don't have. You need some long screwdriver, and I don't have it, so no, I can't fix that one. PD controller fell. You think it's that one? No way. You think it's that one? Is that with the falling MOSFETs? Ah, we have only one port. Does mean we can easily. Yeah, we have the keyboard on the other side. So even if I take the board out, yeah, we have to take the keyboard out. I still have to take the keyboard to plug the keyboard back. I don't remember. Are screws here? Are screws under the button? Yeah. Yeah, they are. And now the keyboard should move back. And the keyboard is out. What is this? That's how it's supposed to be? I never seen this before. Interesting keyboard. Okay. And the motherboard, it's out. Nah, it's not that one. Nah, this is like this is a rare PD controller and has to be programmed. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you know this one? Yeah, that's the PD controller. If I plug the charger, let's plug the charger. And the board is not coming on anymore. Maybe from the other side. Yeah, from the other side it is coming on. Check that. What is that? Yeah, this chip, the PD controller. No, they don't program. No, I have a brand new, and they didn't work. So what we are doing with this one? $460 people. Wow. What is the other spot? Probably a diode which is on a serial mode, I think. What did you say? Do you think actually it's something shorted, some internal LDO, stuff like that? We can check that. Let's check. The other spot is a diode. This one, it's a diode. And the diode is good. Who knows, maybe it's on the serial mode. But let's check the caps. And this one is good. Here are data lines. I'm not sure what should I check here. Yeah, this is a weird PD controller. RT55455. RTS, sorry, RTS 5455. We are looking for the same board. What about the EC chip? The EC chip is fine. Yeah, looks like it's fine. Yeah, it's not short. Yeah, the PD controller, the EC chip is not shorted. Check the port, some damage. Kind of pointless. The chip is getting hot with 5 volts. I believe the chip is dead. My box with yeah, let me try to find one. I bought ones from AliExpress and they were working. If I remember, I had a job. So they were brand new. No, this one, no. A BQ chip there. Not sure what is here. Yeah, BQ. Good. Oh, diodes, okay. No. I have no idea. What is this? Huh? What is that? Where is it? 1 second. Wait, I lost it. I can't believe I lost it. I was watching the screen. Yeah, this one. RTS 5455. Huh? What do you think about that? Check if working on charge battery. No. I mean can work. Depends on how dead is the PD controller. Okay, pin number 1 is here on the corner. Let's remove the chip. Yeah, no rosin. Rosin is expensive. And the chip is out. It's not faulty. Huh? It's taking 150 milliamps, doing nothing. What do you mean it's not faulty? is not able to negotiate the power. I believe the chip is dead. Yeah, that's what I believe. And the solder it is getting easily onto the pins. Good. Perfect. Yeah, I think we are fine. Fantastic. Let's solder the chip. Monoros, mulțumesc. Mulțumesc. Pin number 1. Great. What did you say? Do you have a bridge there? Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, perfect. Like brand new. Let's see if it's working. Kind of disappointed about the other one. Bridge. Yeah, I'm selling the rosin on eBay. I can't use it. And the meter is coming on this position. 5 volts, no current. Yeah. Need program. That's what it needs. Program. One of missing mirror was blown off. Wait 1 second. What capacitor? With my hot air? This one from here? No, I really doubt that's the issue. That one? Okay, but how that happen? With the hot air? Those are some data lines. Maybe this chip is doing the Thunderbolt thingy, the data. That's not important. That's okay. What we're doing is not working. Now it's taking no current. It's not getting hot. Let me see if I can find. I know I have somewhere a second-hand PD controller. A second-hand, one on the board. USB. No. No, it's not that one. Put it into the bin? Why? Maybe you can fix it. Why I should put it on the bin? It's just a PD controller. Yeah, missing PD controller. I use it. Actually, it's the same board. I can't believe. Check here. It's exactly the same board. And I use the EC chip and the PD controller. Yeah, we can take the cap from here. If the board it will work. Okay, this is different. No, it's different PD controllers. Must be the same model and ID. Kind of. Kind of. We can replace the capacitor, right? We can, but it will make no difference. We need to fix the board first. No, it probably is not here. No, not this one. PD controller, huh? Okay, it's a different one. Huh. Thank you very much. Thank you for your donation. Thank you. Thank you. Can't believe I won. I win $200 in lottery. Thank you very much. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Well, yeah, that's. Can you bypass? No, we can't bypass the PD controller. Yeah, you're lucky then. You're lucky. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, I seen it. I seen it. Win the lottery? I mean, what are the odds? Yeah, I know. I know. I know. There are no. It's not about the firmware. Maybe I can get the firmware from another chip, but we have no documentation how we can connect a programmer, how we can read, that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, the PD controller sucks. Exactly. But hey, this is progress. Yeah, that's how they call this progress. There's no way I can see where is the progress, but yeah. No, possible I don't have. I think I use it. I had there one, but I think I use it. Wait 1 second. No, it's not this one. No. What we're doing, we don't have PD controller. Yeah, you see, that's the sad part. That's the sad part. They are made to not be repaired. Yeah, that's sad. Yeah, that's sad. Take out this one and plug the power. No, you don't even have the meter coming on if you take the chip out, because the meter is speaking with the chip. If we run it on the battery update, the controller driver, but the board is not coming on. So if the this one is not speaking with this one, give me 1 second. Now we have voltage on the main power rail. The board it will not come on if you don't have a working PD controller. No, we have no voltage. Okay, so the power supply is creating the main power rail. Where is it? This one? Or we don't have something like that on this board? Let me show the thermal camera. It's just, it's frustrating. You can easily fix it. But no. If they will sell it, like, okay, we are, what brand is this one? Lenovo. Okay, we are selling the chips program. No. So we have 4.9 and we have 0. Probably this is for bypass, I'm assuming. So we have the main power rail which is coming here. Yeah, but it will not help us if we are bypassing this. No, it's taking more current. It's taking like 100 milliamps. But that's all. Okay, that sucks. I don't have another one, that's the thing. You can't short the missing cap. That caps are not... You can't do it. They are on the serial mode with a signal. You can't short them. Okay, let's solder the old one back. Maybe it will work, who knows. Okay, the chip it is sold there. Check the other motherboard for missing components. It's not about missing components, it's about we have a chip which is getting hot. We are not there yet to check for the other components. We have a dead PD controller. Dead shorted means dead shorted. Check the ROM of the PD controller. Yeah, but it will not get program itself. So plug in the charger. No, it's not working. You see, on this side, it's not working. And it's working only from this side, and it's taking a lot of current. It's nothing what you can do. Yeah, 150 milliamps, and of course the chip is getting hot. No, it's dead. I forgot my RAM memory. I can't believe I forgot my RAM memory. I seen the RAM memory here, but I can't see it. I can't see my one. We forgot the RAM memory on our laptop. And you see, we took the board out. Yeah, no pizza. No pizza. Nothing. We fixed one. It's still good. We fixed one. That's the story with the job lots. So how are you guys? What you are doing? You are repairing stuff? Everyone is working there? No, it's not. No, it's no instruction for programming this chip. No. Yeah, I mean, I started the live stream, so yeah, like proper excited for many pizzas live stream. Well, yeah, we fixed one. Actually, I'm not gonna plug the battery. One is not enough. Right? No, thank you for telling me what to check. The thing is nothing to check. The chip is dead. It's not like something else is short. Just because on one side it's working, on the other side it's not working. Yeah, that means the chip it is faulty. If it was your personal laptop, you could fix it bypassing. No, you can't bypass the PD controller. That chip has to speak with the startup chip. If it's not speaking with the startup chip, it will not start. Because if the laptop it will start, I don't care. I take two wires outside and I'm gonna supply the power. Yeah, that's the thing. It won't boot. Yeah, exactly. It will not respond to the power button. That's the problem, because otherwise we could fix it. So they knew what they are doing. They knew. Or they know. That's why we end up with this kind of thing. Wait a second. Perfect. Providing 19? No. No. I'm really sorry, guys. Well, what can I do? We fix one, it's still good. Still good. Next one, no, it's no next one. No. No, for the moment I finish my job. Yeah. This is done. I think, yeah. I mean, we fix one. It's still good. We still make some money. £40. We still make some money. My RAM. Thank you for reminding me. Probably my RAM is here. Yeah, this one I fixed it. My RAM, exactly. I always forget the RAM on customer computers. Yeah, it's here. It's exactly here. Ah. Thank you. It will run for 5 minutes, then shut off. How we can know? How we can know? How we can know? You know what? I wish I would be that good to say, okay, what is shutting down in 5 minutes now? You go there and you check exactly that. You change that and it will look 100%. I have no idea. Even if I had the laptop here and you give me the schematic, I still have no idea what to check on a fault like this. What you miss? Nothing. You miss exactly nothing. I have to program a KB. Not sure if you can program with CH. Can you? There is a thread with same problem with RT chip, and they recommend solution to replace and program that. But how you program the chip? The replace is easy. How you program the chip? That's the thing. It should do. What do you mean it should do it? Who? The chip is not getting programmed itself. The PD controller. It's I2C protocol. Program with the program. With what programmer? You know any programmer can program chips with I2C? I don't know. I never had a I2C programmer. So let's say you have the programmer. From where you get the firmware? Aline, okay. You buy program? No. Yeah, but from where? Who is programmed this chip? Because if I can find like program chips, but it has to be for this model. Ha, Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, the guy with the laptop just sent me a picture. He said he has the chip on the board. He has the chip. So he will bring me the chip and we're gonna replace the chip. No headache then. I2C can be programmed via as what? How? You have two wires. You have clock and data. How the SVOD can program I2C? You know what? I don't even want to ask now. I couldn't find support to program a normal EC chip. And you think I'm gonna find support to program a I2C chip? I took my mind out from the SVOD. Colleague, not sure about that. I don't think I replaced that chip before. There is an adapter for really? One second. Okay, my keyboard. Programming. Wait, it's a YouTube video actually programming successfully this chip? Here you can see that this is our version program. Okay. I got it. It's a short. You had a German seller on eBay? You had. Not sure what do you mean. Programming with SVOD. Wait a second. It's another short. I want a video, a proper video. You know what? You're right. People are programming this chip. It's an adapter. It's a okay. Lol. Yeah, they are doing with I can't really run the other people's videos, but yeah, I can see. Yeah. So it is possible. You must learn from everyone. I know. The thing is, I'm not sure if it's worth it. I mean, if I can program that chip easily, then yeah, it's worth it, yeah. But I'm putting money again on the SVOD when I said I'm not gonna use it, I'm gonna give it to giveaway. You have no idea how stressful it is. to live in a country like, let's say, UK. And it's not because the country is nice, has no issues. The problem is the money. Like you have to make such amount of every hour. You are paid per hour. Like any time you spend, it's you probably you'll not understand if you are not like in a country with high economic. The UK is expensive. It's not expensive. You can do. I need like minimal like 4K per month, pound, which is about 6K euros, I believe, or five and something. So I have to stay very very efficient with my repairs on how I'm spending my time. I want to be a millionaire. I don't want to be a millionaire. I just want to afford a decent life. That's all what I want. Nothing more than that. I get 1.6K. I have my rent is like 2K. I have the council tax is like £300. Then I have the electricity and all the stuff. So only the bills are like 3K. And let's say it's left for food like 1K for food. So it's not like I'm complaining. Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm fine. It's about you can't really spend time. You can't spend time, especially on our old laptop with this kind of chip. Elliot, good morning. So if you see me like doing like dodgy stuff, there is a reason why I'm doing that kind of stuff. So in order to survive only from repairs, yeah, only from repairs, you have to stay extremely efficient, ignoring this live stream, of course. Okay, guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna stop here. Yeah, I do have a different kind of business to do. The jobs. Well, I have to. Yeah, I have some work to do, but not electronics. Depends where you live. Near London, like 1 mile from London. You are lucky. You only need 4K. I mean, that's minimal. That's minimal. Hmm. And the problem is you cannot ask for more money for repairs. You think, okay, here people they have money, yeah, and I will ask more for repairs. You can't. They will not fix it. They can buy one laptop, one brand new laptop every day. So anyone from UK can buy like working person can buy like a brand new laptop every day. So you cannot really ask for a lot for repairs. That's the thing. Move away from London. I can't, Mike. I have my kids. I have you know complicated. Yeah. I know. I'm guessing. Yeah, yeah, probably. Uh, we still made it. We fixed one laptop. Yeah, so it's not like bad. You have 8 kids, Mike. You must do reselling laptops. No, you can't sell here laptops. It's mad. The problem, you can't sell laptops. That's the thing. You can buy them, you can fix them, but you can't sell them. It will be nice if you can buy laptops here, repair, then sell on a different country. Yeah, that can be nice. How often do you do live streams? When I have like job lots, but now I finished the job lot. Buy laptop, faulty laptop, repair and sell. You can't sell. That I'm trying to explain you. You can't sell them. No one it will buy them. They can buy a brand new laptop with money from one day. They're not gonna buy a second hand one for same money, let's say. You can sell expensive, yeah. Gaming laptops, you can sell them. But not like normal laptops. And maybe it's worth if you have like a physical shop. But if you try to sell online, you have no chance to sell online. No. You can't win them all? Yeah, I know. I know. Buy faulty gaming laptops, fix them. No way you can buy faulty gaming laptops and fix them. No way. No, I can't believe anyone it will do something like that. I mean, I do have customer which is, they are saying I bought a faulty laptop and I want to fix it, but no, no. It's not like that. It is viable, but you have to stay efficient, and staying efficient means dodgy jobs, quick, dodgy repair. That's what viable means in order to survive. Or doing mainly like easy jobs and rejecting the hard repairs. Really? In Croatia? Hmm? In South Africa, if you fix like one a day, you are good. You're doing good. Yeah, I know. So every country, like poor country, everything is worth it. Like because the things are so expensive and they are earning so less money. Like doing repairs, fixing, like you said, one laptop per day, it will be fine. And even if I go back to Romania, if I fix like two laptops per day, I'm still fine. Yeah. Yeah, well, we are not there. We are here, and we have to survive. That's why, if you are like on a poor country, it definitely it's worth repairing laptops. You can not only make living, you can make money. You can make serious money. So if you feel like that it's a curse, it's actually a blessing. You can still make nice money and have a decent living there. If I get a lot on YouTube, no, just enough to pay my rent and that's all. Maybe you can start fix gaming console. Soon all country will be poor again. Well, I don't know what will happen in the future. I know what it's happening now. What about TV repairs? I mean, I don't even have a TV. People, they are not having TVs anymore. They are watching online on the computer or Netflix or YouTube on TV and stuff like that. But they don't really watch TV. Okay, guys. I want to do this for retirement. Yeah, definitely you can do it for retirement. Data recovery again is a dead side of the job. Everything is on cloud now. Apple, they have cloud, Gmail, Windows. No one is doing data recovery anymore. Before I was still getting like recovery, data recovery, but now, nah. Relax and turn the radio on. I can't. I have to make money. The bills are coming. No. Okay. No, no, I'm okay. No, no, I'm not complaining. Come on, guys. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, general speaking about the repair business. No, no, I'm okay. I'm okay. No, everything is fine. Don't worry about me. I'm fine. I have a job. Diana has a job. No, it's okay. Don't worry about me. Anyway, Christmas is coming. Yeah, it's I'm excited. For Christmas, for holidays, for everything. Um, I'm gonna try to do some nice content this week. What happened? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing happened. No, no, no. We fixed one laptop. We couldn't fix like two laptops. Probably I'm gonna fix this one because the guy it will bring me a board, a spare board, and I'm gonna get that cheap. But everything is fine. Okay. Oh, we good? It's just hard to get good saving. Yeah, that's why I said always, combine repair business with something else, like selling, like like phone repairs, like something else. Or if you do only repairs, definitely you can make a living, but you have to stay efficient. Okay, okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. I'll say thank you for being here with me. Uh, we're gonna fix more next time. No one is hungry here. Yeah, I'm hungry. I need some food. Okay. So have a beauty a kebab. Oh, don't say the kebab. Kebab, shawarma. I'm fat already. Polish food, yeah, Polish food is nice. Oh, Turkish food is nice. You know, everything is nice. Ha, Didi. Ha, Didi's on the chat. Didi from airport. Yeah, Didi's on the chat. Even pizza is good. When you're hungry, everything is fine. Ha. Yeah. Yeah, all food is good. No, no, no. Well, all food is good. There is no good food and bad food. All food is good. Okay, guys. So thank you for being here. You know, don't forget, like, subscribe, like always, and see you soon. Yeah, I have some content to edit and upload. See you soon. Yeah, tutorials and stuff, and yeah, yeah. 73. Bye, guys. Bye.